Getting prepared for the Fortress War. Do not forget to purchase STR and INT balloons, 3x damage and defense scrolls. And from Alex North NPC get 3x HP increase potions. Do not forget to purchase 10x bombs at least from the FW NPC. Last but not least, follow the instructions shown carefully to set up your target support/target enemy buttons. When we start fights you must target support TS your party leader, by clicking on his icon at the PT then pressing on the button selected in the options. Here it's Q. And target enemy is good when we go attacking randomly a running or losing enemy a Z. Here at the heart stage, you will get many disables and knockbacks so your attacks will be disabled. You must target the heart not flag, if you don't see it. Target support your party leader, he should have the heart selected, and spam the hotkeys buttons auto attack plus bomb to disable enemies from dealing more damage than us, smiley face. Here is how to play cleric and what spells to spam in which order. First make sure you sharing physical and magical defense buffs to everyone in PT. Then you share STR and INT to main 4 wizards. Then you spam the healing spells in this order. 1 healing orbit. 2 healing favor. 3 holy group recovery. 4 group healing breath. And repeat. And use integrity skill if we playing against warlocks.